Hello, welcome back our channel. It's Ginny. Today I would like to teach everyone how to cook Taiwanese beef noodle soup my way. Of course, everybody have different way, but I add some my flavor. The important ingredient is of course is beef, okay, brisket. But you can change the different part of the different meats. Okay, now it's garlic, ginger, spring onion, and tomato, and I add these two because these two will give more flavor. Seasoning I use the 豆瓣酱, which in translated here is chili paste, but you can use the 辣椒酱 or 豆瓣酱, it both okay. And I will use the 5 spice, Chinese 5 spice put in my soup because I don't have prepared like original one, so I use the powder. It's easy, give the flavor. Salt, pepper, and soy sauce. Sorry. And this is important as well because when you cook the beef, you will put some of this to remove.
What is that?
This is rice one, cooking one. For the finish, I bought some vegetable. This one, I don't know what is this one the name, but in here you can buy the choy as well. It's easy to buy. This is not easy to buy, but I find this one in extra shop, so I'm happy. And it depends. You like it. If you like the coriander, you can put. If you don't like, don't need to put. And this is I make handmade pickled vegetable. You need to cook it from the cold water, okay? Actually, you don't need to cut this one, but I want to eat more quick, so I cut. So normally it's the whole one. Okay. Then you need to put the garlic, spring onion, white part, the top part near the root. Yeah, and some ginger. And now I'm gonna put some cooking wine in here. You can put like 2 or 3 spoons. I will put 3 because I have a lot of beef. After boiling, we need to take this one out. And we will keep this stock to use for our soup. Stir fry the beef with garlic, ginger, and spring onion. Season according to your preference. Transfer on the slow cook. Add your remaining vegetables. Cover and slow cook until the vegetables and the meat become tender.
Thank you everyone for watching until the end, and of course if you enjoyed today's show, don't forget to click like and subscribe for more videos. Have a great day ahead and see you next time.